Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to see how to install Windows subsystem for Linux. For that, let's open our browser and type WSL in a Google, which is WSL Ubuntu, and press enter, and this will open a link that is WSL Ubuntu. Now click on the link that is install Ubuntu on WSL. And this opens the Ubuntu official page, and this gives you the brief description on how to install our WSL on Windows. And here are the 7 steps that we have, and just follow the 7 steps and we can get that. The first step is we need to install the WSL. In order to install the WSL, we need to open our PowerShell as an administrator, and we need to type the following command, that is WSL -install, and wait for this until the process got completed. Now let's see how to do that. Let me open my PowerShell. In the search, type PowerShell and open this as an administrator. Always open this as an administrator. Click on this. And this asks me for the permissions. And here I go. This is what my PowerShell. Alright. And in the PowerShell, I need to type WSL -install. Let's open a PowerShell and type the following command, which is WSL -install. Press enter and wait for the process got completed. As I already installed the WSL, that's the reason I got something like no action was taken as a system reboot is required. Alright, in your case, you might get some message something like this. So I just created a screenshot of this, and here you go. You can see that once you type the following command, that is WSL -install, and you will get something like this. Make sure you should get the request operation is successful. Okay, and in order to make the changes, obviously we need to do the reboot. Okay, once you've done this whole process, you have to restart your computer. Pause the video here and restart your computer. Alright, the moment you restart your computer, WSL.exe will start installing the Ubuntu installations. And after this, you will get a message like installing. This might take few minutes. So please be patient while you complete the whole process. Once you see this message, something like please create a default Unix username, then congratulations, you have successfully installed the Ubuntu WSL. Now next step is we need to configure our Ubuntu. Here it asking us for the username for the Unix. You can create the whatever the username you want. It doesn't need to match with the Windows username. So let me create my own name, simply Shrikant, and press enter. And please remember this username and password. Now it asks me for the password. Let me create a simple password, is my name itself, and retype the password again and press enter. Done. With this, you have successfully installed WSL, that is Windows subsystem for Linux. That means you are actually running the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Here you can see that the version that you're running here is 20.04 LTS, which is the latest stable available Ubuntu version. If you see this message, it literally means that you are actually running the Ubuntu operating system. That's pretty cool, right? Now let's update this. Obviously, any Linux user will use the following commands like sudo apt, and first let's update this. Execute this. And it is asking me for the password. Just type the password whatever you enter at the time of configuration. Okay. Alright. Now it is getting updated. Please wait for a few minutes until you finish the whole process.